Hey everyone, we're Donna and Casey, and we've been together for a long time. We haven't been everywhere, but it is on our list.
So, we bought a 2019 ProMaster cargo van. I outfitted it to a camper van, and with our dog Frankie, we hit the road. Thanks for joining us on our adventure.
Well, I'm starting to feel a little bit better, so thought we would take a day out, get some nice salt air. So we're out here at Honeymoon Island. It used to be called Hog Island, and then in 1921, a hurricane came through and split it in half, and now it is Caladesi Island and Honeymoon Island. In 1930, Honeymoon Island was purchased by a businessman, and a friend of his ran an article in Time magazine saying it would
Life
be
magazine.
Life magazine, saying it would be a great place for a honeymoon. So they built 50 cottages, and in 1940, they welcomed the first 50 honeymooners.
Oh, it's a state park also. Check out this cool artwork on a water tower we saw on the way out. And then on the way back in, we stopped and had these delicious grouper sandwiches. Before we continue on our journey, I had the opportunity to go out and do one more hike with my brother Tom. And if you know him, you know that Tom always has a fishing pole in his car. I'm just doing a hike through the Florida wilderness with my brother Tom. Tom, what are we likely to encounter out here?
Well, there's supposedly a lot of wild turkeys, wild hogs, deer, and a few bears.
Okay. Did you bring the bear spray?
Casey, you did.
I've got the bear spray. Tom brought the turkey bait.
What we're searching for is a virgin lake. If you want to catch a bass, we're looking for a lake that's never been fished.
Tom's got his fishing pole. We're looking for that 12-pounder. If we find it, we're going to build a campfire, eat it right here. Can't get a fire going, we're having sushi for dinner.
Beautiful day for a hike. It's in the low 60s. It was cloudy and rainy, but it's totally blue sky now. Perfect day.
Yeah, we're gonna hit every trail in this park. What's the name of this place? You remember?
Booker Creek Preserve.
Booker Creek Preserve. Like it if you get the chance.
Yep.
Waiting for me to get bit by a rattlesnake. We did finally find the lake that we were looking for after searching for a while. Unfortunately, it was on private land, so we didn't get to fish at all, but we did have a great hike and we thoroughly enjoyed the day. Well, now I'm back at the lake house watching the white ibis peck around in the backyard. I don't know what in the world Donna's doing back there, but I'm enjoying watching these birds.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life.